So here's the new lawnmower. I'm going to put the motor oil in it now, then the gas, and then see if it will actually start on the first pull like they advertise. Hard to believe they'll do that, seeing as the gas has to get primed through all the carburetor and whatever else first. But here goes the oil anyways. Supposed to put the whole bottle in. 20 ounces are just about 600 milliliters. Okay, and now the gas. Spilled. Okay, here goes the first attempt to start the lawnmower right after I put the oil in and the gas, and we'll see how it works. So okay, that's the Craftsman 21-inch lawnmower with a 159cc motor, overhead valve, takes the 10W30 motor oil, and so far so good. I've read the other reviews, they seem to be fairly positive. It's relatively cheap, normally $350, I got it on sale for $200, so we'll see. The last one with the Briggs & Stratton motor only lasted me 8 years, so we hope this works. It's certainly easier to start than the old Briggs & Stratton. So there's the new lawnmower. It works quite well so far. Happy with it. I like the big back wheels. The washout port is quite nice. I noticed it has visible fuel lines on it that the old style didn't have. This one here has a bigger air cleaner as well, which is probably a good thing. It's got the side discharge or the mulching cover or the bag, which by the way it sits higher off the ground than my old Craftsman did, so that's definitely a good thing. Seems to be built solid enough, certainly for the price. We hope to use it long enough so that my 6-year-old here, hello,
hi,
that she can use it when she gets old enough.